The P1 Plus is an open control panel that allows users to customize programming based on their actual usage environment. It controls the audio system for meetings by managing the audio processor. It connects to the conference system with just one Ethernet cable, which supports PoE, allowing it to be powered and communicate through a PoE switch. As you can see, it features a simple design with only one knob, yet it offers a wide range of control options. We provide dedicated configuration software to set its functions, which include mute, unmute for all channels, gain control for all channels, calling up 8 scenes, mixing matrix settings, and sending custom central control commands. By binding the IP address of the target audio processor in the settings, the control panel can display the mute status, gain values, scene numbers, and mixing matrix status of the audio processor in real time. For example, you can configure input channels 1 and 2 as a stereo channel, set the mute, unmute, and gain control for that stereo channel, return to the home page, and click the Save button to automatically upload the configuration to the control panel. When you return to the control panel display, you will see that 2 configuration items have been added. You can rotate the knob to cycle through the configured menu items, press the knob to confirm, and enter that option. The audio processor will then be controlled accordingly and provide feedback on its current status.